Note to self, your own self, your beautiful self, your own higher self, your God self, your infinite self. When are you going to be good enough? When are you going to be enough? How about now? Let's think about being good enough now, right now. Like, why not now? Why not choose yourself and choose yourself now? There's enough people working against you that you can pretty much just decide right now that you're going to work for yourself in line with your higher self, for yourself, to do the right self that your higher self knows what you want to do. You got to do it. You got to listen. You got to stop trying to let your monkey mind figure stuff out, because it doesn't know. It's dumb. That's why they call it your monkey mind. Okay, now that's derogatory towards monkeys, so let's not. But it is. That's what they call it. It's your reptilian brain, your oldest part of your brain. So let's just figure out how we can shut that off. Get from here down to here in your heart all times. If you feel something coming up, if you feel something coming up in your mind as a decision that you feel like you have to make, do what the indigenous people did, the Native Americans, my people. I'm part Cherokee, although very smart, a small part smart. The Cherokee, and I learned this from Greg Braden, they used to call to the she's enjoying the sunshine and rolling around in the grass. Oh, there she goes down the hill. She's enjoying that, rolling around down the hill. When you can laugh at life like that, you know you're on the right track. That's how I know I'm on the right track. When you can laugh at not only that, but the craziest stuff, when bad stuff happens. When you can laugh because you broke a dish, that's when you know you're on the right track. Anyway, so getting back to what the Cherokee used to do that I learned from Greg Braden, I'm going to rehash this. It's the single eye of the heart. So if you feel a decision or something coming up, you don't know, you're not sure what to do, they would say Chante Ishta, Shantay Ishta, and rub your heart with your closed fist, and that will give you the intuition. That's how you get more into your intuition, and that's how you listen to your higher self, your God self. Choose that now. Listen to your intuition. Chante Ishta, the single eye of the heart. Don't rely on these eyes and what you think is what you think is the right decision. Go from here down to here. Chante Ishta. Chante Ishta. She thinks that's her name. Chante Ishta. Try it out. Get into your intuition. Listen to your intuition. Chante Ishta. She loves it. I don't know. She must be ancient Cherokee people. Anyway, have a great day. Love you. Bye.